This is a monthly chart of Euro USD. If we use nothing but candlestick, then first thing you see here is price is making series of lower low, lower high, which is clear downtrend. You can easily find out top and bottom of this trend. This was the first higher low. After making bottom at this level, this was the first wave that retest previous low, which was first clear sign the trend is getting weaker. Then retracement to this wave made first higher low. On monthly chart, investors are waiting for higher high. This wave was started during coronavirus, and this wave is in the middle of these two levels. It has to break any of these before making a new trend. Because this is a monthly time frame, you can buy sell here, but you cannot use SL on monthly time frame. To trade you need numbers. If it break this level, then how far it will go up, or if it race back, then where it will found support. First thing you do as a trader is to draw Fibonacci retracement and extension tool. Using these two tools together, you can get invisible support and resistance. Fibonacci extension tool predicted bottom here, and this top was predicted at 38% fib retracement. These two tools gives you clear number to trade. Now we will go to weekly chart. When you draw entire trend using Elliott wave theory, you got everything support, resistance, and where we are in the trend. This was the first impulsive wave, then sideways correction as a chart pattern, then again as an impulse. This is correction to this entire trend. Based on Elliott wave theory, correction can be zigzag, flat, or chart pattern. Price can make a double top at 38% retracement, or if this level break, then it will retest 50. Then next is 60% retracement. Because this is weekly chart, you need more support and resistance between these two levels. So we draw parallel channel, and price is making resistance right at the boundary of this channel. If price break this channel, then it will retest 50% of this entire trend. If this channel or this high does not break, then it will make deeper correction or make new lower low. It can make sideways correction at the boundary of this channel, then it can break this channel. If this channel does not break, then it will be bearish trend and seller will target this bottom again. Before this bottom, we have this horizontal support. Using monthly and weekly chart, we now know the trend is bearish. Right now we are in the correction to monthly trend. To get more clear picture that this last wave will break upside or downside, now we will go to daily time frame. On daily chart, price has made this parallel channel. Right now price is trading outside this yellow parallel channel. The lower trend line has break. You could easily get this high and this low using one simple strategy, parallel channel. We have already done this video on how to trade parallel channel. This is the boundary of weekly parallel channel, and this is the boundary parallel channel on daily chart. Price can retest this upper boundary before making new lower low, because before going up making new higher high, 50% retracement on monthly chart. It has to break this trend line. We have this red trend line as a support, and price is testing this trend line on fourth time. If this support does not break, then price will try to retest this upper trend line, or if this support break, then next target is this horizontal support. After this support, the next support is this previous high. So all of these two sellers are target this horizontal support where they will take profit and new buyer will re-enter the market. If this is a flat correction or zigzag correction, then price can make easily support here. It can continue its previous bullish trend which was started right here. On daily chart, these three are your support and these two are your resistance. If you pay attention on daily chart, here we have three chart pattern: breakout of Pellar channel, head and shoulder chart pattern, and symmetrical triangle chart pattern. If you read books, then you see chart pattern like a line chart, but on TradingView you see candlestick chart. That is why you do not identify chart pattern easily in the beginning, because you learn line chart and you are testing those strategy on candlestick chart. This is the reason in the beginning you do not see chart pattern clearly on time frame like daily chart. But if you change chart from candlestick to line chart, then you will see charts similarly as you see in books, and your mind immediately see the chart pattern, because on line chart you see the same chart pattern as in book as on your screen. If we consider these three chart pattern together, the lower trend line is the neckline of head and shoulder, and lower trend line of symmetrical triangle, and yellow Pellar channel breaking lower trend line, waiting to retest or making new lower low. On daily chart, price move very slow, you get lots of time, you can read entire book and learn everything from the beginning and apply your strategy. But on intraday chart, you have to do all of this very fast, you do not get much time. Until price break the support and resistance, we do not know which chart pattern is working here, but you have to plan your trade based on these three chart pattern. Now we have explained monthly, weekly and daily time frame. Now you know the trend. We are in the correction of monthly trend. Now we'll go to H4 time frame where you will take entry. On H4 time frame, price tested this lower trend line of daily Pellar channel and it made clear top here. Because you know the weekly, daily, monthly, all of the time frame together, then you know if you're taking entry here, where are your profit target. If you do not know what is happening on daily time frame, then you will buy here. If you do not know what is happening on daily chart, then you will buy right here at the top, because daily time frame told you already that there is a resistance here and all you have to do is sell. On H4 time frame, price has made this white falling wedge pattern. It has not made any higher low yet, it is making lower low. So basically it is a downtrend. Before making uptrend on daily, weekly time frame, it will make series of higher high on H4 time frame, which will be confirmed when it will break these two high. All you have to do is buy at the support and fifth retracement. This lower red trend line before it break on daily chart, it will break first on H4 time frame. Based on daily weekly chart, you know what you have to do on breakout of this trend line and where is the next support, because after breakout of trend line and support and resistance, majority of time price retest those level. Now back again on daily chart, these are your resistance and these three are your support. These two level are your key support and resistance. Breakout of these two level will change the trend